Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Today I'll be making Podhi Parotta. It's a parotta stuffed with gravy, which is folded inside a banana leaf. Today's video I'll be showing you how to make the chicken gravy and the wheat parotta. Making the wheat parotta, you'll need to take 4 cups of wheat flour, that's atta. You can follow the same measurement for the maida parotta as well. And to this you'll need to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. It gives it a good softness for your parotta. And add in salt, that's 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 egg. The egg gives your parotta a good flavor. Now add in 2 teaspoons of sugar. The sugar gives it a good color, that's a golden color. And I'll be adding half a teaspoon of more salt. And you'll need to knead this with milk and a little bit of water. Pour in milk little by little and knead your dough. And you need to take 1 cup of milk and half cup of water. The milk adds in flavor to your parotta. This is just optional, but if you add milk, you'll get extra flavors. But if you don't have milk, you can just knead it with water as well. Here I've added 1 cup of milk and half cup of water. That's totally 1.5. You can add in more or less accordingly. It depends on the atta. Knead it well till everything gets combined and forms a dough. And once it's combined, you need to pour in 3 tablespoons of oil and knead it. Let it rest for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes you'll need to knead it back again till you get a nice smooth dough. And let it rest for 10 minutes. The more you keep for resting, you get a nice soft fluffy parotta. But if you don't have time, no problem, you can make it within 10 minutes also. And once the dough is ready, let's prepare the chicken gravy. For making the chicken gravy, you'll need to make the ginger garlic chili paste. You'll need to grind 4 green chilies, 1 small piece of ginger, and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Make it a paste and keep it ready. Now you need to take a pressure cooker. Put in chicken. You have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken, or you can even make it with beef. Usually podhi parottas are made with beef. This I'll be making it with chicken. But if you're making it with beef, you can follow the same measurement. You need to take 500 grams of boneless chicken. Add in 1 sliced onion. Add in 1 chopped tomato. And the ginger garlic chili paste. And to this you'll need to add the dry powders. That's 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. You need to mix this well. Pour in 2 cups of water, and you need to pressure cook for 10 to 12 minutes. In the meanwhile, you need to fry some onions in some oil. Fry it till it becomes golden brown. Put in some curry leaves and fry it till it becomes golden brown. And once it's golden brown, you'll need to put this into the pressure cooked chicken. If it's watery, keep the flame high and let it dry up. Since we haven't added any oil to this, you'll be adding the fried onions and the oil as well. Once you've added, mix it well and let it combine and cook for around 5 minutes. And within 5 minutes, you'll get a nice thick gravy. Turn off the flame once you get this consistency. And now your chicken gravy is ready. That's thick chicken gravy. You'll need this type of gravy to put inside the parotta. And by now your dough is ready. I've just given it 15 minutes time. It's always better you knead and keep your dough for 2 hours if you're planning to make this. First you'll need to make balls and keep it ready. With 4 cups of atta, I'll be getting around 15 to 16 parottas. Put some oil, take a roller, and you need to flatten it. And once you've flattened it, you need to spread some oil, and you need to fold it like how we used to make the paper fans. And once you've folded it, just do it like this, and you'll need to roll it back into a small round. This is how you'll need to roll your parotta so that you get nice layery parottas. Now that this is ready, now you'll need to reflatten it and make nice layery parottas. The size and the thickness depends on you. If you like it thick, you can make it thick. If you like it thin, you can flatten it even more and make it thin rotis. Once you put it in a hot pan, put in some oil on both sides. That's 1 teaspoon of oil on both sides. Keep the flame on medium so that it doesn't get burned, and cook it on both sides by turning in between till you get a nice golden color parotta. Let it get fried on both sides till it turns nice golden and crispy. And once it's become golden and crispy, take it out. Take it out, and you need to beat like this when it's still hot so that you get nice layers in your parotta. This is what you're looking for, nice layered parottas. Do the rest of the parottas the same way. And once your parotta is ready, you'll need to put this inside a banana leaf to make the Podhi Parotta. Take a banana leaf. These are fresh ones. Put the parotta, and you need to put the chicken gravy which you've prepared. Put some gravy, and you need to put one more parotta on top of this, and you need to cover it with the leaf. This is how it's got its name, Podhi Parotta. Podhi means cover in Malayalam. You need to cover the parottas with the banana leaf, and once you've covered, you need to put this on a tawa and heat it on both sides. And to get the maximum flavors out of the banana leaves, just close it and keep it for 2 minutes on each side. And now your Podhi Parotta is ready. Nice hot Podhi Parottas are ready. You can enjoy it right away. Do try out this recipe. It's a super tasty Podhi Parotta. When your parottas are stuffed inside the banana leaves and heated on a tawa, it gives a very nice unique flavors, and you'll get a nice soft flavorful Podhi Parotta. And you can see the layers of the wheat parotta. Do try it out, and please let me know your feedbacks in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed till now, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until I come back with a new recipe, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.